All right, boys and girls, we're gonna try to get this going. I started already, so we're gonna try to get a little more footage of actually tracing the keys. Bear with me. Don't know what I'm doing, but match it up from what I saw online. Let's do it. Mm, mm, mm.
Maybe you lost your mind, you lost your sanity.
All right, here we go, boys and girls. Sorry for the jump. Um, as you can see, this is why you practice, and this is why you buy 30 keys. So it's got, I don't know if you can see, it's kind of got the rough shape in there, but we ain't satisfied with that, so we're gonna keep plugging, and we're gonna lock it back in and get back at it. All right. A little rough. A little rough still, but we practicing, boys and girls. I got 30 of these, so we're gonna practice. It's got the general shape, as you can see, but we practicing, boys and girls, so don't cut me up too bad. But anyhow, I'm gonna finish up, and then I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna put it all together and all this good stuff. So bye for now. But when I come back, I'm gonna show you what I got. Hopefully it works, and we'll see what happens. All right, boys and girls, this concludes today's video. I'll wrap this up really quick. So for those of you that are scared to order stuff on AliExpress, please don't be. I ordered this. Here's the finished product, boys and girls. I know it doesn't seem like it, but I cut this key. It works on all three doors. It works on my back door the best. The front door, couple turns, it gets it. garage, couple turns, couple gets it. But if I lost my key, and this is the only backup that we have, which we know this is actually the third backup, it'll do to get me in the house if I don't have to piss on myself or something like that. I can jiggle with it for about 2 or 3 seconds, and a little bit more than 2 3 seconds. But the point of it is the Defu thingy majiggy. It does what it's supposed to do, and I actually got this on. Let's see, the second blank, but I went ahead and played with it, tried to get some more, and I almost had this one, and then effed up. Pretty much had this one, and as you can see, effed up. So I got it on the second, and I just tried to play with it a little bit more. But this just shows what you can do with the Defu. I think I ordered this off Ali, and I'm gonna order the thingamajiggers to let you trace on top, because I got big fingers and I'm a nearsighted, farsighted person. So while this is pretty much spot on, except for maybe a little bit right there, I'm gonna trace it because I want to do a key fob key. That way I can just go right around the edges, and I can just manually do it with my fingers, and then I can go from there. So that wraps it up, boys and girls. Like, share, and subscribe. The Defu does work. Thank you so much. You have a wonderful day.